In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you update to Roblox Kids account. Let's get started. Roblox automatically assigns users into different account tiers based on their date of birth. For younger players aged 5 to 18, the account is placed into the Roblox Kids category, which includes stricter chat filters, limited social features, and a more curated selection of age-appropriate games. For users between ages 9 and 15, the account is placed into Roblox Select, which offers a slightly broader experience while still maintaining safety restrictions. Once a user reaches 16 years or older, the account transitions into a standard Roblox account with full platform access. Parents also play an important role in managing these accounts. By linking a parent account to a child's profile, they can control and monitor settings through Roblox parental controls. This allows parents to adjust restrictions, review account activity, and manage privacy settings to ensure a safe experience for the children. Now, if you're wondering how to update or change a Roblox Kids account, it's important to know that accounts are assigned automatically based on the birth date entered during setup. So there is no direct manual switch between tiers. However, if a child's age was entered incorrectly, it can be corrected through a verified parent account. To do this, log into your Roblox account, then go to Parental Controls and select your child's account. From there, click the pencil icon next to the avatar to edit the birthday. Once updated, the system will automatically place the account into the correct age group. However, keep in mind that this option can only be used once through Parental Controls. If the child has already completed ID verification, the birthday cannot be changed again through this method. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.